So this is the Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme variant. It has 1 terabyte of storage and 8 gigabytes allocated to VRAM. And today we will be testing Arc Raiders. So let's just go into library here and let's find Arc Raiders. And I will be testing at different TDPs, but we will be starting with maximum, and we will be in Xbox full screen experience. And if you're hoping to be able to run this game at like 15 watts, is all I'm gonna say. And yeah, let's just open this big ass game. And we'll test. I will be testing 17 watts, but yeah, we're starting with 35. So let's look at the loading times first. And I will, of course, not be screen recording through OBS because that uses even more power and uses more GPU and CPU. And yeah, but we do not want that. And I'm guessing that you won't be streaming on this thing. And if that's what you're gonna do, then yikes, good luck. Good luck. So yeah, this is taking a while here. I'm not even sure, is this like the game of the year or I don't even know. But yeah, all I gotta say, Legion Go 2, beautiful screen. Pretty good performance for a handheld too. Can't really hate because, I mean, it's the best that's out there. All right, and let's see here. So let's just look at all the settings here first. What has this thing selected? HUD position stretched, I guess that's what it's at already. So let's see here. This you need to have at full screen. Oh, come on. Wow, it's already... There we go. Not recommended to have exclusive full screen on. Okay, that does not make sense. Frame generation, let's turn that on. There we go. And AMD FSR, let's do quality. Field of view. Yeah, sure, 70. Motion blur off, of course. RTX off, of course. Can I turn it off? I can't. Low. Overall, everything here medium. In-game performance. Idle energy saving. And off. And let's have all of the details here. And let's see here. So this is with frame generation. Oh, we can see we have some frame timeouts already. And with FSR. Okay, it says it's 128 FPS. Let me test that. Nope, it's definitely not. And I can already see some bugs. But yeah, I mean, this is completely playable. Just to get that clear. But yeah, we do have some frame time issues. How can I... There we go. But yeah, I mean, this is completely playable. Like this. But people probably want to see how this runs at lower wattages. And on... Oh, shit! And on 25... What the hell is that? On 25, that should probably run pretty fine still. So it says here 90 FPS. That's probably true. Around 90 now. But it still does not feel right because frame generation is on, and the frame generation right now is pretty bad. Oh shit. No way I just died, right?
yourself. Jackpot. Bandages. No time to waste. Let's head back to Spawn.
Wait, did I actually... No. I'm alive. Yeah, this is not 90 FPS, I'll say it like that. How do I crouch down like this? But this is completely playable. Let me just take everything. How do I... Yep. There we go. And now let's just test system real quick again. Let's do some fixes here. So let me just see. FSR on, anti-lag on. Like, yeah, this is what I would run this at. But I would probably take down shadows. What? The shadow just disappeared if you have it on low. Wow, that sucks. Never mind. Medium. Reflections. That I would put it low. Global illumination resolution. There we go. Now let's see how this runs. Yeah, 95. Is that up to 100 actually? Yeah, it still runs not that good. But this is definitely playable. Let's say it like that. Someone died here. Damn, that's cool. It takes time to like loot things. Is there a take all button? No? Alright, bro. Let me just use my time then. There's some screen tearing too. But it's probably not noticeable over time. Oh shit. Do I have a gun? Do I have a gun? Was that someone? Did I just see something? No? Just schizophrenic? Oh! What was that? Oh fuck no. Hell no, I don't trust you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Opening fire on me. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, I can really see the frame generation and work when you die. Those pixels be working. I shot that drone pretty much though. Yeah, but this is definitely a game I would use an eGPU on. There we go. But yeah, now let's see. This was playable, but oof. Now let's take this down to 25 watts. Oof. It says 72 FPS. Yeah, this is like 30. This is like 30. Yeah, so previously I think it was like 50 or something. This thing lies right here. It lies. Trust me, it lies. But yeah, I mean, this is still pretty playable, I would say. But yeah, you can probably see the lag on screen, I'm guessing. In more intensive areas, this will be even worse. Where's the elevator? Still playable. Now let's take this down to 20 FPS. No, not 20 FPS, 20 watts. There we go. Oh shit, what the hell is going on? Oh my god. Come on. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh damn, I thought that was a bomb. Thought I just got nuked, but no. Where's the lift? Oh, it's here. I see. But yeah, still pretty playable. Now I'll take it down to 17 watts. Because that's probably when it's the last time it's playable. After that, it's gonna be horrible. But yeah, personally, I would play this game at max watts. And let's see here. Right, so there's like 30 FPS. That's lying. That's lying. This is like 30 FPS. But it runs cool. Oh, I mean, that makes sense because I'm at 17 TDP. But yeah. But this runs horrible. I would not run it like this. But if I take it up to like 25 again, I think it would be playable. Yeah, this is playable. This is like maybe 50 FPS. Maybe. Ooh. But in a shooter like this, nah. I wouldn't say it's playable. Like, the competition is gonna kill you. Frame time milliseconds and GPU milliseconds are bad. Let me take down... no, let me turn off frame generation because it's just ass in this game. I don't even think it works, to be entirely honest with you. Frame generation off. I guess we'll find out now. We'll see. Was frame generation on? Oh, no way. Now it runs much better without frame gen. What is going on? What is going on? Yeah, so frame gen is not optimized for this game. Now it runs, yeah, like 80 FPS. I would actually believe that. Here it says 40. That is cap. This is not 40. Okay, maybe if you tilted wrong. Why is it capping? It says it runs worse. This runs so much better than it was running. I think this is right. Well, that is wrong. But yeah. Now if I take the TDP up, let's do 30 watts. I think that's gonna be the best. Oh yeah. Now this is playable. This is good. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do or where I'm supposed to go, to be entirely honest. I think I'm just looking for people, man. I mean, I'm just benchmarking, really. But yeah, now 1 hour and 30 minutes. Battery is 80%. VRAM is at 70% of 8 gigabytes, so it's not even completely in use. And RAM is at 61%. But textures are at medium, and I don't think you actually need more texture quality. But now you see frame time is pretty fine. Oh, that is a drone right there. Oh my god. How slow are you gonna reload? Where's that drone? Oh shit! It brought some buddies. It brought some buddies over. Oh no, you don't. Oh shit! Yeah, I'm one shot now. Oh my days! It is not going well. Oh my god, am I missing all my shots? Nah, I'm dead, man. There's no way I'm surviving this, man. Yeah. So yeah, conclusion. This actually does work. Wait, what? I am alive. Can I live or... Nah, I think I'm dead. Yeah, I think I'm dead. But yeah, I mean, this runs actually surprisingly good. I would think it would run even worse, but frame generation on this game does not work. Maybe if you set it up right, but in the settings menu it does not work. FSR was actually pretty fine, didn't look bad at quality. And yeah, I would say this runs pretty fine at 25 watts. If you go lower than 25 watts, oof, then it would run pretty bad. These actually don't matter what you set them to. In some games, efficiency is a little bit better. You get a little more frames, but you just gotta experiment. That depends heavily on your settings and Windows and all of that. For me, from my experience, performance is best for gaming, for GPU. But some people on YouTube have tested and say efficiency is better. I am a person on YouTube and I say performance is better. So, hey. So, yeah, that's really going to be the test. I am pretty sure, because I don't really trust these FPS limiters. But, yeah, as I said, would say 25 watts is pretty playable. For some people, even maybe 22 watts or 20 watts. Lower than that, you get too bad performance. More than that, your battery drains, but if you're always plugged in, of course, always run it on maximum. And yeah, that's really going to be it. Use 8 gigabytes of VRAM. You don't need more unless you want higher texture quality, which I don't think you do, but yeah, I think high 8 gigabytes VRAM would probably be fine. But if you want to have ultra quality, then you probably need like 10 or 12 gigabytes, maybe even more than that of VRAM. But remember that RAM is also really important, so don't think that VRAM is more important than RAM, because sometimes if you have too little RAM, it can be too little too, you know? But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. If you have any game suggestions or anything more you want me to test, comment down below. Goodbye.